Good morning, traders. Christian Kerr, Senior Market Strategist at DailyFX.com. And this is my idea of the day for August 29th, 2014. In today's idea, I'm taking a look at the dollar-yen exchange rate. Um, just a couple of interesting things are setting up on the daily chart that I think are worth watching over the next few sessions, the next couple of days. First, if you've been following my notes, I've been looking for dollar-yen. I think this move out of this consolidation here for most of the year is potentially important in setting us up for a much bigger trend higher over the course of the second half of the year. Um, that said, the move into this week got a little overextended. We gapped higher on the open on Sunday night in the U.S. Uh, and traded 104.25 on our platform, on some interbank platforms as high as 104.40, which has kind of been my big resistance, my big interim resistance, and we've pulled back for most of this week. There's a chance we have a slightly deeper pullback. Ideally, I view the kind of the 103.30 area as kind of a really important confluence support zone where you'd expect to see buyers step in. I don't want to see 102.75 taken out, as that is I think that's a kind of an important pivot in the near term. If we were to go below that threshold, it would suggest that we have a deeper, kind of a sloppier correction process underway, and the market might be in for some more range trading. Kind of what I like about what's happened over the past few sessions or past few days is this. If you take a look at the volume chart, this is FXCM volume. You notice that we had generally a rising volume throughout this whole move up. And then when we peaked out, we've consolidated and moved lower on very slim volume, on volume that's been declining. That's taken in classic technical analysis a very bullish sign. This is nothing more than just a consolidation before another move higher. And that's kind of the way I'm interpreting it, just trying to figure out how far down we go over the next few days. If we do get into that 103.30 area, I'll be looking for signs of a move back up and looking for some positive price action to develop around there. Obviously, with 102.75 is kind of the near-term pivot to be watching on the downside. A move through 104.40, 45 would be a really strong sign, especially if we see a tick up in volume, kind of through the highs of the past few days. If we can see that, I think it sets us up for probably a decent challenge on the year's highs right around 105. 105 and a half. So good luck, profitable trading. Christian Kerr signing off.